Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how do you see QC on Pandabuy. Let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Pandabuy and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, if you want to QC, so the whole process is once you have placed the order, once you've already placed the order, and then you'll be able to QC your product once it hits the Pandabuy warehouse. So once it gets to this stage here, where you're going to do the QC and then confirm for global shipping to your destination. So Pandabuy will inform you once it hits the Pandabuy warehouse, and then you can access your warehouse through, if you click on your top right on your account, and then you'll see the warehouse option there. So click on it, and then if you send once your item is in your warehouse, you should see that here. So select the item and then check for the pictures. In particularly in pictures like mine, I don't have any item in my warehouse at this moment, so it's nothing here. But for you, just select it and then look carefully at the pictures, check if it's the or if it's the right thing that you ordered, the right color or right size, and all those information, any damages or anything like that. So if there's any damages, something, so just look carefully and accurately as possible, as much as possible. So, and then once you're satisfied, then all you can do, you can select it and then proceed to shipping, to global shipping. So you can get to that process where it will be sent to your destination address. So that's the whole process of how you can actually place the order and access the QC. So you can only do the QC when it hits the warehouse. So hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.